Hello YouTube fam, my wonderful yogis. I have a super quick yoga flow for you today in this beautiful location by the pool. This will be super fast and easy, so it's just perfect when you really have no time and you still want to get a little bit of a stretch in there and warming up the body a bit. This is going to be for all levels. So if you're ready for a quick flow, meet me on the mat and grab some water. Seated pose on your mat, cross-legged or half lotus or full lotus. Hands facing up on your knees. Let's inhale those arms up to the sky. Exhale and namaste mudra to your heart. And again, inhale, arms up, hands up to the sky. Exhale, namaste to your heart. Bring yourself forward into a cross-legged forward fold. Breathe. Exhale, come on up and change the crossing of your legs. So now the other leg is on top. And come forward. And you can do this in a regular cross-legged pose as well. No need for full lotus or half lotus if you're just starting out your practice. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bring that right hand to the ground. See if you can reach your forearm to the ground. If not, that's fine. And extend the other arm over your head, stretching out the whole side of your body. And let's switch that over to the other side. Make sure that your sit bones are grounded here, that they're not lifting off the mat. Breathe, inhale. And exhale, release. Come on up. Inhale, hands up, arms up to the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down. See if you can bring your knees up. It's going to be harder in a regular cross-seated position. If you have your full lotus or half lotus, it will be slightly easier. Take whatever version you need today. And your hands are in a T, palms facing up to the sky. Very good. Bring those knees down and let's come to the top of your mat. Inhale, arms up, extend. Exhale, forward fold. Bend one knee at a time, bringing circulation to your hamstrings. Move your head up and down and side to side. Mobilize the neck. Inhale, bend the knees. Inhale, forward. Exhale, bend the knees. Inhale, forward. Exhale, bend the knees. And send those feet back into plank, chaturanga dandasana, or knees, chest, chin. Inhale, up dog. Look to your right. Inhale and exhale, look to your left. Downward facing dog. And continue bending one knee at a time. Inhale, lift that right leg up to the sky. Bend the knee and open up the hips. Make sure your shoulders are square, so only the hips are opening up. And bring that foot down. Other leg comes up, one-legged downward dog. Bend the knee, open up the hips. Your shoulders are square. Exhale back into down dog. Inhale, ripple forward into plank, chaturanga, or knees, chest, chin. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Jump or step forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. And again, inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to your side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, jump back into plank and give me 3 push-ups. On the third one, come into up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Now let's come onto your knees and bring yourself forward into a child's pose, Balasana. Lift that right hand up to the sky and thread the needle. Temple of your head is on the mat. And let's do the other side. So the left arm extends and thread the needle through the other arm. Inhale. And exhale, release. Let's come into puppy pose. So your knees are directly below your hips and you're extending and bringing that chest forward onto the mat. You can bring your forehead to the mat or your chin. Come back into all fours. And sit back into a cross-legged position. Namaste, everybody. I told you this would be short and easy. Hopefully it was enough to get some blood flow, get your heart pumping, and get you through your day. Namaste. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my videos. Hit that like button and let me know what you thought of it in the comments. Let me know if you would like more quick and easy flows like this. Thank you. Have an amazing day, my wonderful yogis.